You can hear the thunder this morning. I've got my raincoat on, and it's raining this morning in this little garden in the woods. I thought this morning I'd show you how my cucumbers are doing. It seems like they're doing pretty well. There's one, two, there's another one there, there's another one there, and let's see, and there's another one there. So at least 5 on here, and you can see I have lots of flowers and all sorts of things. And then here, I don't think I've ever looked at this plant before. This is it's staked on bamboo, and it's got the green flagging that's tying it to the bamboo that's acting as my trellis. And these are Better Boy. Now these the tomato seeds that I got for these Better Boy 2021s were not did not produce my best seedlings. But you can see here, this plant has pretty good production. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, golly, 5, at least 5 nice ripe tomatoes there. I'm now over by the aluminum trellis, and the air conditioning's going. You can probably hear that, but I'm showing you how some of the garden peach tomatoes are starting to form. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants in this, what used to be a cart that you pull around with a lawn tractor. See, I've just taken the wheels off of it, and I'm using it to grow tomatoes in. Now I'm out in the other garden that's not quite as productive as the one I was just filming from. You can see here there's a little white flower with some pink inside, and you can see right next to it there's a little seed. And this little seed is something I pick, and you can see I've got a couple of these already. And I'll be using these seeds to create or grow some more plants that'll produce more flowers like that beautiful little one. Finally this morning, you are looking at the trunk of a red oak tree, I believe. It's about 40 inches in diameter, and you can see how beautiful it is. I've shown this before from a distance on my channel. Because it's 40 inches in circumference, that means this tree was a seedling in 1883. It's 140 years old. And I believe at that time Chester Arthur was our president. Well, it's raining in the garden. I think, as I already mentioned, it's about 75 degrees. It's August the 7th, and it's about time for me to go in so I don't get hit by lightning. Anyway, thank you for joining me on this beautiful rainy day. In the garden, in the woods.